Hi, I'm Tiffany from Custom Service Hardware, and welcome to Tips from Tiff. Today, I'm going to show you how to choose a new side mount drawer slide in case you need to replace a broken one or if you want to upgrade to full extension or soft close. There are a lot of different types of slides out there, so I'm going to try and simplify the issue for you and help you find exactly what you need. It is worth mentioning that you could choose to go with an undermount slide, like this, in order to give your drawer a clean, modern look. But if you're going to replace a side mount slide with an undermount slide, you're going to have to completely rebuild your drawer box, which is not an easy job to do by yourself. If you're looking to upgrade your slides, you're probably looking for soft close, full extension, or both. With the soft close slide, it has a damper so that when you push the drawer, it softly closes. With the full extension slide, in comparison to your normal European epoxy slide, the full extension slide allows you full access to the back of the drawer. If you're looking for something with even more extension, you could go with an over travel slide, which allows you even more access to the back of the drawer, even underneath the countertop. Once you've decided which feature you're looking for, it's time to pick out the slide that works best for your application. Side mount slides come in pairs and attach to each side of the drawer box. It is important to remember that you need 1/2 inch of clearance on each side of the drawer box for the slide. That is between the drawer box and the cabinet itself, so make sure you have enough room. Next, you need to figure out the length that you need. The easiest way to do this is to take your existing slide, measure it, and replace it with one of the same size. Most of the side mount slides will have a clip on each side, so I'll push one up, one down, and it allows the drawer box to come out to be measured. So in measuring this slide, it's showing that it's about 18 inches. However, it is also safe to go ahead and measure from the inside back of the cabinet to the front of the cabinet to get the maximum depth of the slide. As you can see here, it's just over 20 inches. Now, it doesn't matter if you're using imperial or metric units. As long as they're about the same length, it'll work just fine. One final thing that you'll need to consider is how much weight your drawer slides need to support. For a normal kitchen cabinet drawer, it's going to be about a 100-pound weight rating. But if you have a specialty cabinet, such as a pantry pull-out or a filing cabinet, you're going to want a weight rating of about 150 pounds. Now it's time for you to go and find your own slide. For more information, please check out our blog. And if you have any questions, please call us at Custom Service Hardware. I'm Tiffany, and thanks for watching Tips from Tiff.